Well, welcome back. It's time now for me to enjoy my job just a little bit more. An opportunity for me to turn the clock way back and look at the next wave of media members, the generation of sports public relations that will push sports media coverage to the next level. My next guest is a little grown man that's already been to two more stadiums that I have been to. Levi Stadium, of course, in Santa Clara, and the Chase Center in San Francisco. He's interacted with Hall of Famer Jerry Rice and four-time NBA champion Steph Curry and many more. I'd like to welcome budding PR mogul, young 10-year-old Piper Johnson. How you doing, Pipe?
Good. How about you?
I'm doing well. First of all, this suit, you look good, my man. Did you pick that out, or did your pops or mom pick that out?
My dad picked it out, which is surprising because my mom has the fashion.
Ah, so your mom's got the eye for fashion and pops just got lucky?
Yeah.
Well, he decided to take you to his jobs to kind of learn some of the PR. So first of all, you got a chance to go check out the Warriors and meet Steph Curry and Steve Kerr.
There's a young man named Piper working tonight.
Hi, Piper. How was that going to the Chase Center?
That was sick.
Pretty sick? So you got an opportunity to kind of talk to the head coach for the Warriors, Steve Kerr?
Yeah.
But he actually said something to you as well?
Yeah. He said, "Hi, Piper."
He's never said hi to me. Steve Kerr kind of gave you a nice little shout out. One of the things I wonder about, what kind of makes you enjoy doing PR? Like, what are the things that you like about it?
The things that I enjoyed about it was being able to meet and learn everything that my dad does.
I got you. Kind of meet some of the stars, the athletes and whatnot?
Yeah, and also like the top people in the press box.
People like me? Just kidding. I'm just joking. But that's how I met your father, actually, in the press box.
Ooh, cool.
Yeah, at the Raiders press box. So you get an opportunity to meet some of the athletic stars. You also get an opportunity to meet some of the people in the press box, like the writers and the TV people. Okay. And then can you kind of explain what you got a chance to do during the interview process with at the end of the game?
Oh, so the interview process was I got to interview some of the top PR people and media people in the press box.
And you being a budding sports PR person, you guys are very helpful to us in the media. I see you're interviewing one of the writers there.
BEASTwriter.
Yeah, the BEASTwriter. He's got a lot of muscles, right?
Yes.
And then you got an opportunity to meet the rest of the PR team for the Raiders, like Cameron and everyone else, right?
Yes.
That was pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm talking about this is my guy. The check is in the mail. Little Piper Johnson, hit the rock, baby.
Yeah.
The young, up-and-coming sports PR mogul, Piper Johnson, 10 years old, and his pop, Keon. Thanks for bringing you in. I appreciate it.